Hi friends, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. This video is on integrated farm. When there is land scarcity, effort should be taken to increase production through the integration of various production systems like animal cum fish or rice cum fish culture. For efficient utilization of available resources and maximization of production of diversified products from a minimum area. Of course, this will increase the income of the farmers and would enhance food production. In this design, we are showing integrated goatfish and coconut farming. Alternatively, we can also choose integrated chicken fish and coconut tree farming. Selecting livestock, that is goats or chickens. This means selecting an option with goat farming or poultry farming is dependent on your farm management skill. Before starting, you have to analyze environmental conditions, budget, how you care for this livestock, and overall how you can manage farms with available resources. And remember, minimum maintenance yields a maximum harvest. Basic management for integrated livestock fish farming. This involves the full utilization of livestock farm wastes. It can be done in two ways. 1. Conversion of waste into valuable fish protein. Feed derived from livestock manure may be utilized as a direct feed. Livestock manure helps in the production of phytoplankton, which forms the feed for fish. But remember, excess livestock manure causes poor water quality. Optimum utilization is recommended. 2. Decompose livestock waste into fertilizer. Later it can be applied to coconut trees, which helps in getting more yield from coconut trees. Hence, a complete recycling process should happen. Pond management. Ponds are perennial and have depths of 1.5 to 2 meters. A renovation like strengthening dikes is to be done. A dike is a barrier used to regulate or hold back water from outside. Seepage control should be taken before stocking. Coconut farming is less profitable as the excess of supply over demand. But if the land is used for other farming or any agricultural business, the money can be lucrative. In this integrated farming system, coconuts are optional, but they provide a shady environment and generate an extra source of income after a few years. Also, coconut trees have low maintenance tasks. Best planting system for coconut trees? Generally, a square system of planting with a spacing of 7 by 7 meters is recommended for coconut. But here, in this case, we are planting coconut trees on the boundary of this farm. As you can see here how beautiful our farm looks. What are the advantages of integrated farming? This type of integrated farming system serves the major purpose of providing cheap feedstuffs and organic manure for the fish ponds, thereby reducing the cost and need for providing compounded fish feeds and chemical fertilizers. Developing farms with small spaces of land and helps in the best effective use of land. Recycle process in farm management promotes zero waste. Integrated farming is considered a profitable agricultural business idea. Thank you for watching. Hope you this video is liked. Please comment, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture. Have a nice day.